Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to pair AirPods Pro to your iPhone. So if you have an AirPod Pro and you have an iPhone, now you want to pair both devices together, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to pair AirPods Pro to iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead, open the AirPods Pro casing, then you're going to hear a shine. Turn to the back of the AirPod Pro. Then there is a button at the back. Press and hold the button. Once you hear a chime, then you should see the AirPods Pro pop on your iPhone screen. Now, do not close the AirPods Pro, or better still, remove one of the AirPods Pro from the casing. On your iPhone, locate and click on Connect. Then you should see connecting. You want to hang on. If you have connected your AirPods Pro to your iPhone before, the interface you're going to see may be different from if you're connecting your iPhone to a new device. So in this case, once you click on connect, you're going to see your AirPods battery level, and then you should see your AirPods casing battery level. Now, to pair your AirPods Pro to your iPhone or connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone, click on continue. And then once you click on continue, your AirPods Pro is going to be connected to your iPhone. Now, to confirm this, go to your iPhone settings. And on the settings, you should see the name of your AirPods Pro. You can click on that, and then you'll be able to customize your AirPods Pro. So that is basically how to pair or connect AirPods Pro to your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.